episode. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to the show. My name is Andrew, and today we're talking about how you can make money from home by babysitting. Now, yes, babysitting is usually done by teenagers and things like that, but you could actually do this yourself to make an extra few bucks for the day, a weekend, or maybe you want to start up your own in-home daycare. It's entirely up to you. You can potentially make a nice amount of money for babysitting, get paid by the hour, or if you're going to do a daycare, you will have multiple kids that are getting paid by hour to watch. You can do this after school hours. You can do this over a weekend period of time for parents to go out on vacation or whatever it may be that they need a person to watch their children for. Maybe they don't want to take their kids to a doctor's appointment for an hour or two. Maybe a parent's having surgery and doesn't have somebody else to watch them in their house, so they could go to you. Maybe they're going on an extended vacation for a week at a time, in which case you'll make even more because it is an extended period of time. Now, of course, when it comes to the in-home daycare, there are legalities that have to be taken care of, but if you're doing just a single child on a short-term basis, there's not as much to worry about. But you can potentially make a few dollars an hour watching a child in your home or even babysitting the child in their home when their parents are unavailable, whether it's a second shift after school hours and the parents at work, whether it's third shift and the parents work third and you would be the one to watch them up until their parents get home in the early morning, or if you're the one to get them off to school, or maybe they're not in school yet, in which case you would watch the child while the parents are at work. I've babysat myself for many friends, family, and I made anywhere between $8 and $13 an hour for watching a child. And in a couple cases, 3 kids at $10 an hour was $30 an hour of babysitting, to where I made $90 in a day. Or in a couple cases, I watched them over a weekend and was paid a nice amount of money for watching them over the weekend. So I hope that gives you an option for being able to make some fairly quick cash at home. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you have questions, by all means, please feel free to drop them down in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. And we'll see you in the next episode.